Yo, it's been a while. Just wanted to do a quick video because I am excited for what I got out of the store. I'm even just in my pajamas. It's like 3 a.m. and I just want to go to bed. I I have this whole I don't know what I'm doing. I just been like setting this up with different angles and shit. Now my phone is just resting on a flippin' bowl with a bunch of bananas, well, two bananas in it. I'm just excited to open this little Eevee figurine. I saw this at the store and I just thought it was so cute, and well, I'll switch the angle back and we'll just get into this. Let's let's make some magic happen. And we're back. Funny thing, you cannot write this stuff. I'm so professional that I ended up recording when I thought I wasn't recording, and not recording where I thought I was recording. I didn't do too much. I I stopped it before I went too far along. All I did was open the saran wrap and look at the contents. So, for anyone who gets off on the opening of saran wrap, you're out of luck. But let's get into this. This is the box art for the Eevee. And I have to show again like what the sides look like. And yes, there is a Pikachu and Mewtwo models available. That's all cool. You see a happy little Eevee over there, and of course you see the different poses. So let's just open this up. Let's do it slowly this time. Well, you haven't seen the first time, so I got to do it again. So yeah, a bunch of nice parts over here. And I wanted to show this again because this is creepy. Like, what the flip? You know what? Let me do something. Does this? Ooh. Ooh, that is nice. That is nice and nightmare fuelish. Okay. Take these parts out. And we have the the instructions, and woo! So yeah, just to show off some of the art over here. Yeah, I didn't have any good commentary for it, other than saying whether or not I would do more videos, which I don't think so. I just wanted to share this. And again for this side, how to assemble it. All well and good, and yes, I will be following the instructions, no duh. So, I guess for the second time, let's get into it. Alright, I barely did anything. I also considered this sewing machine as another vantage point, but I'm keeping it on the bananas just for consistency's sake. Let's just... And I also got myself scissors to get into the bags. Just have to make sure I'm recording again. I am. So, here we go. Ooh. Little snips, little snips, little snips, little snips. And leave it a little bit unsnipped because I want to keep the bag in one piece. These, on the other hand, I can break up. Oh, I didn't even open the instructions yet. And I get the big pieces too. And we go for big snips this time. Big snip, big snip. Big snip. Yeah, that's good. Okay. Awesome. I mean, and also stickers for the ears and innards and whatever. Alright, so let's get down to it. So I first have the normal face. Yeah, let's stick with the normal face for now. Oof. That's all good. And then I have to have the A2. No, A18. I'm an idiot. So this is for the eyes actually, so I have to put it this way. Yeah. Okay, now it's a little less nightmarish. Still looks like it has voids for eyes. Yeah. Oh, just really push that in there now. Lock it in, lock it in. And then next is the mouthpiece. So, oh yeah, that's if, okay. You know, I can pull out this happy one too and put in the mouthpiece right now. So, this is probably the worst possible camera angle, but oh yeah, this is just for eye slits. Yep, no, did that wrong. Oh no, I really am doing it wrong. It has to be, oh my goodness. There we go. That's easier. Click. Push them into place. That feels pretty snug. So now we have our happy face. And I should really, you know what, I'm going to add a light. Like that. So you can see it a lot better. Yeah. Yeah, that's good. There we go. Video making progress. Now flip this instructions over. Now what? B5. B5, B5. B5, B5. This piece goes into A216. I assume it's this part, this over here. Do I have to do it in any specific way, or? Oh no. A216? Oh, that's this back part. My mistake. I'm glad I did not pop these all off because I would not know what these pieces are. So how do I... Oh, up more. Yeah, there we go. That's the back of the head. And then I can just attach my face onto it. You know what I mean. Yeah, there we go. One Eevee head. Cute. And soulless. It also, I think it also says at this point I should have the stickers on it, right? Yeah. These two little dots stickers over here. So let me just get to that now, so I don't have to deal with it later. Very intricate work I have to do. This is probably gonna take an hour. Oh my god, yes. Yeah, that's one down. I'm nervous about the other one. Okay. I probably don't have the most nimble or steady hands. How do I want to do this? I want to do it like... this has all been probably been off camera, huh? Or off center. Oh my goodness. How do I do this? Like... you know what I need? I need a toothpick. Too bad I don't have any. Yeah. Yeah. I did pretty well. I did pretty well with this. That is adorable. It's not so soulless now. Oh my goodness. Funny thing is I actually do have toothpicks, but oh well. Let's start the ears. Here they are. Just here. Here's some ASMR. Ooh. Again. So yeah, these are the back of the ears and, well, the innards. The insides of the ears, I mean, and these are the outsides. I don't know where to put stuff. So I have to put two of them together. Hopefully it's alright. Hopefully it doesn't matter too much, since they're technically the same parts. Yeah. Yeah, that looks alright. I have to lean over I have to lean over so that I can see what's going on screen. And ooh, well, at least that one's not gonna snap out of its thing. There's the other part. Yeah. Let's hope my light lasts. Okay, next, the stickers. These two big Eevee ears. Alright, let's see if I can... oh my goodness. Slippery little guys. Doesn't really matter too much since they're kind of the same part. The exact same part. Ooh. Ooh, yeah. Oh, no, can't be humming any songs. Yeah. That's pretty snazzy. One more. And then... crud. You might think that's fine, but for me, I see the little error. Maybe I'll fix that up. Hopefully. And for now, I'm just gonna stop right here. Oh, wait, actually, I'm just gonna... so that you can see. Yeah. Yeah. That's adorable. That's adorable right there. Alright. I'm stopping right here.